Hello everyone, Nuno Nico here. I figure one of the first videos I'll do on one of my first toys. My parents gave me this little F-14 Tomcat back 40 years ago now, and I'm 44, so it's certainly an antique. Manufactured by Z or Zylmex in Hong Kong, China, the mold marking on the F-14 Tomcat is A143. The stickers on this first variation on the Tomcat that Zylmex made is to emulate the fighter squadron VFA-2 bounty hunters. And this particular model airplane turned out to be one of my favorite. I have several of them, as you probably seen in an earlier video, and we're going to be talking about all of them. Make it a great day.